In this video, you'll create a realistic AI influencer that can dance in TikTok videos. The final result looks like a real person dancing. Smooth camera movements, proper body sync, natural expressions, and it's completely ready to post. The quality is good enough that most viewers won't realize it's AI generated. This is not a sponsored video. I personally tested these tools multiple times, and I'm showing you the exact process that actually works. Step 1. Choose your tool to create the AI avatar. First, you need to generate an AI avatar. We'll use Nano Banana Pro for this because it creates the most realistic human faces. Now, if Nano Banana Pro's subscription feels expensive to you, there's a better option. Use OpenArt instead. It's significantly cheaper, and here's the advantage. You get multiple AI tools in one subscription. This means the same subscription we'll use later for video generation, image generation, and other tools. So you're not paying separately for each tool. I'm using Gemini Pro because I already have a subscription, but you can use OpenArt or Gemini Pro. The method is exactly the same. Step 2. Find a high-quality reference photo. Before generating your avatar, you need a sample reference photo. This step is important because it determines how your AI influencer will look. Go to Pinterest. Why Pinterest specifically? Because it has the highest quality images compared to Google or other platforms. The images on Pinterest are already curated and high resolution. Now search for the type of person you want your avatar to be. For example, if you want a female avatar, search female USA or female UK. Mention the country. Why mention the country? Because different regions have different facial features and aesthetics, and this helps you get more specific results. Since we're making a dancing video for TikTok, the avatar should look attractive and camera ready. Browse through the results and save the image that matches your vision. Don't overthink this. Just pick one that looks professional and clear. Step 3. Generate your AI avatar. Now comes the actual avatar creation. If you're using Gemini Pro, open it and upload your sample photo. If you're using OpenArt, go to the Create Image section and upload the reference image in the Reference Image option. Here's the prompt you'll use. Create a realistic AI avatar inspired by this reference photo. The avatar should have similar facial features, skin tone, and overall aesthetic, but should not look identical to the sample photo. Generate a high-quality front-facing portrait with natural lighting and professional quality. Make sure you select Nano Banana Pro as the model. This is important because other models don't create faces as realistic. Click Generate and wait for the result. The generation usually takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step 4. Generate multiple angles and poses. Once you get your first avatar result, don't stop there. Generate at least 4 to 5 different poses and angles of the same person. Why? Because later you might need different angles for different videos. Generate a left side pose, right side pose, smiling pose, serious expression, looking up, looking down, whatever variety you think you'll need. You can also generate these later whenever you need them, but it's better to create a library now so you have options ready. Step 5. Create the final photo for your dancing video. Now we need to generate your AI model in proper clothing for the dancing video. Use a prompt like this. The same AI avatar wearing stylish party wear clothing, full body shot, standing naturally, good lighting, 9:16 aspect ratio. The 9:16 aspect ratio is critical. Why? Because TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts all use vertical format. If you generate in the wrong ratio, you'll have to crop it later and lose quality. Generate this image and make sure it looks good. This is the photo we'll animate into a dancing video. Step 6. Find a dancing reference video. Before we animate, you need the dance moves. Go to TikTok or YouTube and find the dancing video you want your AI to replicate. Download that video. The video should be clear, not too fast, and the dancer should be visible throughout. Avoid videos with rapid cuts or multiple camera angles. Step 7. Open OpenArt for video generation. Now open OpenArt and navigate to the video section. Click on View All to see all available video tools. Look for Motion Sync and click on it. This tool uses the Kling 2.6 model, which is currently the best AI model for camera motion and body synchronization. Step 8. Upload your files. Here's what you need to upload. First, upload your AI model's party wear photo, the one we just generated. Second, upload the dancing reference video. This is the video your AI will copy. Whatever movements are in this video, your AI avatar will replicate them exactly. Step 9. Configure the settings properly. This step determines the quality of your final video. Make sure Kling 2.6 is selected as the model. Now set these parameters carefully. Keep original. Turn this on. This ensures your avatar's face stays consistent. Character orientation, set to exact. This makes sure the body movements match precisely. Video motion, set to standard for normal motion. If you want more dynamic and high-level movements, you can select Pro, but standard works perfectly fine for most videos. Double-check everything and click Generate. Step 10. Download your final video. The processing takes only a few seconds to about a minute depending on video length. Once it's done, preview the video. You'll see your AI model dancing with smooth camera motion, synced body movements, and it looks like a real person performing. Download the video. It's now ready to upload directly to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You now have a fully functional AI influencer dancing video. You can repeat this entire process with different dance styles, different outfits, different backgrounds, or different expressions. The possibilities are endless once you have your AI avatar created. That's the complete step-by-step process. If you found this helpful, try it yourself and experiment with different styles.